sample before treatment, and today date is 22nd August 2024. So why you came here? I want speech sample before treatment.
Hi, I'm from Bangalore. I have a high pitch voice issue. I seen on one fine Saturday about Sanjay Kumar's treatment on the voice one. I was so happy after seeing that. The next Monday I approached sir, and I'm currently in the 22nd of August. I'm starting the first day treatment.
Voice sample after therapy, and today date is 29th of August 2024. So why you came here and how do you feel after this voice therapy?
Hi sir, I came here for the voice therapy, and previously it's showing like it's a feminine voice and childish kind of thing over the call. Now I observed that one change is there.
Okay, what reactions you got when you called to your friends and relatives after the treatment?
So I spoke to some of the people, and they're calling as a sir. Like instead of I spoke to my friends, I spoke to some customers.
Okay, earlier they used to tell you madam.
Madam. So
Okay.
it's they are calling like a sir. So I seen that change.
From which place you came?
I'm from Andhra.
Okay, so can you tell in your mother tongue what was the problem and how do you feel now after treatment?
సో ఇంతకుముందు వచ్చేసరికి వాయిస్లో కొంచెం బేస్ లెవెల్ తక్కువ ఉండేది, హై పిచ్లో మాట్లాడుతూ ఉండేది. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే నేను మాట్లాడినది అవతల వ్యక్తి క్లియర్గా వింటున్నాడు, వాళ్ళు కూడా రెస్పాన్స్ సార్ లాగా ఇస్తున్నారు. ప్రీవియస్ అయితే కాల్స్లో మేడం అనే ఒక వస్తువు ఉంది, అంటే డైరెక్ట్గా కనపడినప్పుడు ఏమనిపించట్లేదు, కాల్లో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఆ విధంగా ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు రిజాల్వ్ అయిపోయింది అది.
Okay, thank you. And can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes sir, please.
Thanks for the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see positive changes in his pre and post treatment voice, please like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place for their treatment. Thanks for watching.